Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update as to what's going on at the Spanish Town Hospital, upgrading of the facility. So we're actually driving into the Spanish Town Hospital now. So the management and staff of the Spanish Town Hospital, which is the largest Type B facility in the country, are anxiously awaiting the extensive infrastructure upgrades that are to come to the 70-year-old institution. The hospital is to benefit from the largest infrastructure upgrade under the government's health system strengthening program for public health facilities. The upgrade will see the facility moving from a Type B to a Type A regional hospital, serving as a final referral point for other public hospitals. Type B facilities provide primary and secondary health care, while Type A hospitals provide comprehensive secondary and tertiary health care services and are referral centers for hospitals in the public and private healthcare systems. The Spanish Town Hospital, built in 1952 with a capacity of just over 200 beds, now has an expanded capacity of approximately 430. The proposed new building encompasses the construction of a 6-story modern facility with an estimated area of 17,633 square meters. It will include several points of access for staff and patients, a basement, car park and access, and a skywalk to link the existing wards. During his contribution to the sectorial debate, the Minister of Health and Wellness, Honorable Christopher Tufton, announced that the tender process for the Spanish Town Hospital will soon begin, and that based on the Inter-American Development Bank procurement procedures, a contractor should be engaged by the end of the calendar year, and that work should commence early in 2023. Senior Medical Officer of the hospital, Dr. Jacqueline Wright James, says the staff is very excited about the expansion plan. They are excited with the infrastructure, with the design, and with the increase in services that will come because of this redevelopment. She explains that over the 70 years of the institution's history, the hospital would have grown from offering 4 services to the current 21. The redevelopment will see even more services being added to meet new and growing demands. These include urology, oncology, cardiology, ophthalmology, and psychiatry. The SMO welcomes the upgrades and highlights the fact that although the hospital would have had infrastructural changes over the years, they would not have been enough to keep pace with the increase in the population in the parish over the last 7 decades. Included in the upgrades are 6 additional operating theaters, which the SMO says will significantly boost the number of surgeries being done and reduce waiting time. The population is aging, and therefore we will have more patients who will seek care because of complications from non-communicable diseases. The addition of intensive care units and high dependency units will also make a big contribution to our ability to manage our cases, the SMO adds. The development will also include a new pharmacy, a new laboratory, and a new radiology center. We will now be able to do CT scans, MRI, and mammograms. As you know, radiology is an important part of management, so we will now be able to access imaging for our patients in a timely manner, the SMO elaborates. She also points out that the new facility promises to be more aesthetically pleasing. The expansion is more vertical than horizontal, which means maintenance of green spaces, which is crucial for patient and staff morale. The expansion is part of the thrust of the Ministry of Health and Wellness towards building out the country's health infrastructure to maximize service delivery. This is being done as the government of Jamaica makes the most significant investment in health infrastructure since its independence in 1962. Alright guys, so that's a quick summary of what's happening at the Spanish Town Hospital. So let us know what you think. You can leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video and have a good day.